Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. Salam sejahtera, salam perpaduan dan salam Malaysia Madani.
Ku menantimu saban waktu, bangkit jiwaku. Kau suluh hatiku dengan sinar kudus kasihmu.
Hi, how are you? Tomorrow is the first day Ramadan for Muslim all over the world. Ramadan is a special month for the Muslims from morning until sunset. The whole month of Ramadan. Fasting is not just in Islam. Other religions also practice fasting in their own way. This shows other religions also teach discipline and self-control. Ramadan also brings people closer. Muslim fast and our non-Muslim friends respect and understand our practice. Sometimes they even join us for the iftar together. This moment can strengthen unity between us in community. It builds respect, understanding, and friendship. We learn to be more patient, kind, and thankful. We help the poor, do charity, and try to become better people. May this Ramadan bring blessing to all of us, peace and unity. Selamat menyambut Ramadan Al-Mubarak.